Good morning, YouTube. This is Chuck Reynolds. I'm going to welcome you to my channel. And what you're looking at here is items that I've melted. Starting with this. This is a vial with 4 gold buttons in it. See by my finger there. The light isn't real good here, but and going beside that, now this is brass. This is brass. These 4 are brass. Excuse me. This silver here looking stuff is zinc, as is these 3 zinc here. And as we get on, these 2 are bronze. And then we get into a lot of copper. I've melted lots of copper. These I didn't melt. These are rounds that I purchased at one time for giveaways. And all of these bars over here I've melted. The little ones on top are 2 ounce, and I think the big ones on the bottom are 22. And there's some little gold skulls, and same over here with the aluminum. That's a cross, and there's some little aluminum skulls. That the one that didn't come out very good, you can tell there by the side of it. Then these are all aluminum bars over here against the wall. But that's something I really like to do. I really enjoy melting metals, and as you can see by all the metals here that I've melted over the years, in fact, I enjoy doing it, or you wouldn't keep doing it. And as for the gold here, now these I've done for probably the last maybe 8 years. I take the fines and I melt them down, and so I've got the gold buttons, just like the big guys do in Gold Rush. But anyhow, that's something I like to do. I like gold. I like prospecting. I like finding gold. I like melting gold. I like melting metals. And these are all the metals that I've done over a few years. And I think it's well worth doing. It's can be very profitable at times. And I'll be back. You can tell by the intro video, I like scrapping, I like melting, and I like prospecting. And scrapping goes hand in hand with the melting, because you can't melt metals if you don't have it. And what you're looking at here is some of my scrap copper. There's one, here's one, there's one, and there's one. So I've got a lot of scrap copper. And as far as prospecting goes, that there is prospecting equipment. Saw enough of that. So this is zinc that's ready to be processed, and I just haven't got to it yet. So we'll move on to some other metals here in just a second. So what we have here, that red bucket there, that is steel. And these probably weigh 30 to 40 pounds each, these buckets. This yellow bucket is steel. That blue bucket there is definitely steel, as is this bucket here. This blue bucket is steel. This bucket is extruded, I believe. And this bucket here is cast aluminum. And that bucket there is painted aluminum. So let's go up here a ways and I'll show you more. In some of my other videos, I've done a couple where I've melted cartridges, the brass in the cartridges, because they're 70% copper and 30% zinc, so I don't get near the smoke and junk out of those as I do out of this regular brass. And what you're looking at here in these piles, these are aluminum cans. There's a reason I'm showing you all these aluminum cans, because I usually end up with a 55-gallon bag full of these that goes to the yard. And I think I get 70 cents a pound for the stupid things. Okay, this is what connects this to something else. We're still in the shop, and what you're looking at here, all these little pucks back here, those were made from cans. I melted cans years ago when I first got into melting, because they were just interesting to melt and different to melt. And then I made a mold And then I started making these molds, or making these triangular bars. Like this is 11.6 ounce. There you go, I got it. And that one, I don't know, that's has an A on it. Don't know what that is. This is 14 ounce. And there's several of them here anyhow, of those. And these for melting, to like I'm looking at here, well, I can't talk today. These are my molds. These are all graphite molds. I mean, there's conical molds, there's cross mold, there's a heart mold, there's skull mold, so there's a coin mold. There's this, every kind you can think of here. Now these are for the bars. These are bar molds. All of these. Different size. You know, there's some that are bigger than others. And that is a mold for sand casting. That one there. As is, I think this one here is too. Yeah, it is. So this rusty old mold here is also a sand casting mold. So that's some of the stuff I've got in the shop and what I work with. So to do sand casting, I'm not going to get real close to the stuff, but I'll show you some of it. There's some borax right there. This is all the stuff, the tamping stick over here, and the blades and the screens and all that for the sand. And I've got Petrobond. So I said I've got Petrobond, and I do. That's it there. I've got, I don't know, 2 or 3 cans of that. This is borax, and that little bit's borax. I think I've got another can of borax somewhere. That's used Petrobond there. And these are other molds. When I first started, this is what I did the pucks with. I mean, I had a cupcake thingy. I don't know what to call it. That's a cupcake thing. So obviously that's the foundry, one of them. And over here is another flask for molds. And I made this one out of steel, and I only used it ever once. And these are cast iron skillets that help you on lots of things when you're melting. And this is a stack of fire bricks that you also need. And here's the tools. So I'm really serious about melting metals. I'm really serious about scrapping. You can tell by the quantity of metals that I have in the shop. And I didn't show you all of them. Let me go here and show you. No, I said I was going to show you brass. Well, I thought I'd show you aluminum first. This is a ramp for handicap. This was given to me by a friend. It weighs 34 pounds of extruded aluminum. These downspouts here are extruded aluminum. And these are, I'm not sure what these are. They're some kind of angular thing, and those are extruded, but unfortunately, these are painted, so you get less, as with the radiator down there, the same way. And you know, I thought I was gonna cut a fat hog here, but so it's still sitting in the shop, and I'll do something with it sooner or later. But let's get back to the brass. So this is brass. I'm trying to remember where I got this. I scrapped out a brass bed, and this is solid brass. Well, they're not solid; they're tubes, but they're all brass. And I've used that to pour some bars, and it pours really well. And this tray here is also brass underneath all that silver plate, which is silver, as is this. This little tray here is silver. That little jug pouring thing there is brass. And here's a brass bar I poured. 31 ounce brass bar. And this bucket's full of brass along with that. And what's in here? Oh yeah, this is my small brass. So I've been scrapping for a long time, and I get lots of brass, and end up using it all. That down there is red brass. Not sure what I'm going to do with that. And this down here in this can is bronze. Those are bronze bushings out of motors. So, like I said, I'm serious about scrapping. I'm really serious about melding. And I'm really serious about mining gold and prospecting. I love to go out prospecting. That's what my other channel is all about, is prospecting. And it's got some, let's see, how do I say this? It's got some things in there that aren't prospecting, like scrapping and melding. So that's why I got this other channel. And this is some of the mining equipment here. See if we can get you farther away, not closer. And this is my geosluice, that over there in the corner. Right. Let go. There you go. That right there is a trommel that I made years ago, and it works really good. That bucket looking thing with a handle on it there is a screen for dredging, so you don't get debris going up your hose. That's some more dredging stuff, and that's some more dredging stuff, and that's some more dredging stuff. That's the dredge right there at Gold King. So anyhow, that's just a basic walkthrough of all my stuff. And when I say do a video and I say, well, you know, I like I like melding metals, and I like scrapping, and I like prospecting. That's what it means to me. Is all this. I invested a lot in scrapping, and I've got a fair return, not a big return, but melding is really good, and gold prospecting is really good, especially in Arizona. Well, I think that's going to be it for this one. It's going to be a short video. I just wanted to bring some things to the forefront, so when I say something in the video, you'll know what I'm talking about, and know that I'm not lying, that I really like doing this. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, come back again, give her a great comment. When you guys go out, make sure you stay safe out there and stay blessed, because it's getting pretty tough no matter where you go. I'll be back. Thanks for watching.